child could become bully-proof. Not by fighting, not by hiding, but with these 3-step power moves. Step 1, walk tall, shoulders back, chin up. That's your armor. Step 2, speak calmly. Not okay? Stop. No yelling, no fear. Step 3, find one good friend, just one. That's your shield. This combo changes everything. Bullies do not mess with kids who look like leaders. Try it for 7 days and watch the bullying disappear. Let me know if you want me to create more videos like this. Here is a quick sneak peek of how you're never going to be bullied again.
They laughed at me, I felt alone, like shadows danced through every zone.
But deep inside, my core was bright. I just needed to turn on my light. Oh, stand tall, activate your light. Hate, speak calm, your voice is right. One good friend, you're not alone.
Your kindness powers fully grown.
Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend. Do it for 7 days. Tall, speak calm, find a friend. Bullies fade away. You don't need fist or angry words, just strength that hums like sonic birds. Look in their eyes, say what you mean. Stand like a star in every scene. Oh, stand tall, activate your light. Boys, speak calm, your voice is right. The one good friend, you're not alone. Your kindness powers fully grown. Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend. Do it for 7 days. Tall, speak calm, find a friend. Bullies fade away.
Whisper this when days are rough. You're brave, you're bright, and strong enough. Then rise again with every ray, one move at a time. Every day.
Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend. Do it for 7 days. Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend. You'll light the way. Stand tall, activate your light. Boys, speak calm, your voice is right. One good friend, you're not alone. The bully's gone, your power's shown. Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend. Do it for 7 days. Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend. Now you're safe to play. Walk tall, speak calm, find a friend.
You've got this
Every day.